How to fix Honor 200 not charging issue. So to fix this issue, first of all, check charger and cable if they are working properly or not, and always use the original company's charger and cable. So if your charger and cable are working properly, then move to the next solution. The next solution is try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold this power button and then tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone, the charging issue will be fixed. But after restarting, if you are still facing the same issue, then open settings, scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then tap on software update, and from here check if your phone's software is up to date or not. So if it's not updated, then tap on download and install and update the mobile's software. Now after updating the mobile's software, the charging issue will be 100% fixed. But if you are still facing issue, then maybe it's a hardware issue. You can take your phone to the repairing shop and fix your phone. So that's how you can fix the not charging issue in Honor 200. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.